Hello and welcome to Annie Travel Vlogs. I'm back with another episode of Top 5 Reasons to Visit Bangkok. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss out on any future video updates. So in my opinion, the top 5 reasons to visit Bangkok are the night markets, the street food, the Royal Palace, the Buddhist temples and definitely the nightlife. If you are a shopper like me, then night markets is something that you definitely should look out for. Few of the popular night markets that you should definitely visit are the Pratuna Market, popularly known as the Indira Market, Wang Lang Market, Patpong Market, Victoria Monument Market, Khao San Road and Siam Night Market. So these are few of the night markets that I visited and I feel that these would definitely be something that you should look out for. Night markets in Bangkok has a variety of things to choose from souvenirs to shoes, clothes, bags, wallets. It's a shopper's paradise. I lived in a hostel in Bangkok, which was a European hostel, which was very near to this monument called the Democracy Monument. Next up is street food. If you are in Bangkok and you do not try the street food, then you are definitely missing out on so many things. Bangkok is popularly known for its street food. So there are tons of options, out of which I loved the pork porridge, the Thai rice noodles and the Thai fried rice. Pad Thai was also one of the noodle options that I was looking at. And definitely I tried the Boat Noodle Alley, which is very near to the Victoria Monument. You should definitely try that. Also Thai barbecue, the duck noodles, fried chicken are also very popular options in Bangkok. I also tried the tom yum soup and the pork rice, which is also very famous. I also tried this one, the glass noodles and a little bit of the barbecued shells as well. My street food experience in Bangkok has been amazing and I look forward to visiting Bangkok again just for the street food. I mean, it is just amazing, and I being a foodie, I always look forward to Bangkok, especially when it comes to food. Next up is the Royal Palace. I feel that Royal Palace is definitely worth a visit when you are visiting Bangkok, even if it is for a day or two. Royal Palace has a beautiful architecture and definitely to look out for. It takes at least few hours to complete the entire visit of the palace. So I feel you should definitely go for the Royal Palace. I personally loved the Royal Palace and its architecture. It really intrigued me. Next up are the Buddhist temples. Now I visited quite a few temples like the reclining Buddha, then the golden Buddha and the marble temple. So in my opinion, yes, you can visit, but it's not a compulsion. But reclining Buddha, I was awestruck. I mean, that was definitely worth the visit. I mean, it was beautiful, it was amazing. I love the serenity in Marble Temple. I mean, it was so calm and quiet and serene that I really wanted to spend a lot of hours in Marble Temple, and it gave me a lot of peace of mind when I was there in that temple. Next up is nightlife. Nightlife in Bangkok is quite happening. The popular nightlife areas are the Khao San Road, Sukhumvit, Siloam, the RCA, Asiatic Riverfront and Chinatown. There are tons of activities that you can do in nightlife, like the street entertainment. You can eat street food, get a massage, you can go for a cocktail and dance bars and stroll at Patpong and see real life action in Muay Thai Stadium. One of the most popular rides that you can have in Bangkok is the tuk-tuk ride. So it is very similar to what we have in India, like the auto, but it is a little posh and colorful and a little larger in size. Bangkok traffic is pretty hectic, so if you are targeting a particular place to go at a particular time. So please go early because you will definitely be stuck in traffic in Bangkok. Bangkok traffic is very similar to the traffic we have in Delhi or Mumbai here in India. That's it from Bangkok. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more video updates. You can follow me on social media like Instagram and Twitter as well. Keep watching Annie Travel Vlogs. I will be back with my new video next week. Stay tuned.